Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently stands at a loss of 0.0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 5.29% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 13.40% to negative 1.36%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 39.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 36.90% to 61.68% over the next year. In current terms, this would set a future price between $322.74 and $381.15. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of 0.0805% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, decreasing from $235.93 to $235.74. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.19%, with a low of $229.23 and a high of $236.55. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 3.73% for that period. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day, which is typically a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $11.07 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 9.36%, or $24.35, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple's latest developments are creating mixed signals for investors. However, the implementation of a 20% tariff on Chinese goods poses significant risks to Apple's supply chain, potentially increasing costs and squeezing margins in the near term. Supporting Apple, Elon Musk has now backed the company amidst news that Apple may take legal action against the United Kingdom government over alleged unauthorized data access, positioning Apple as a champion of privacy rights, a narrative that could resonate well with consumers and investors. Market trends show a tech-heavy Nasdaq struggling as tariffs come into effect, yet Apple has managed to post fractional gains during this downturn, suggesting resilience and investor confidence amidst broader market uncertainty. In the short term, while tariffs could pressure Apple's profit margins, successful product launches and a strong brand stance on privacy could enhance consumer loyalty and sales. Looking ahead, if Apple continues to innovate and maintain its reputation as a market leader while navigating these challenges, the stock could see long-term growth potential, especially as investor sentiment recovers from current volatility. Investors should keep a close eye on how Apple's operational adjustments play out in response to external pressures. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL a reduce rating along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AAPL an underperform rating accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned AAPL a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned AAPL a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AAPL an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has been rated as a sell, while the price-to-book value is classified as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a counteracting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is situated above the long-term average, the overall indication for the stock is a buy, suggesting a hopeful outlook. As the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance at around $239.46 from the short-term moving average. Should the stock decline, it will find support at approximately $235.57 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average would generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would trigger a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that could impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, February 24, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 4.63%. Indicators suggest further declines until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages triggered a buy signal 12 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 9 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $229.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.32 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.19%. In the past week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 2.86%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its initial support level at $229.86. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Wagner Susan conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Sugar Ronald D. executed an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Also on that day, Lozano Monica C. made an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 25th of February, 2025, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. On that same day, Jung Andrea executed an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.75. In total, insiders purchased 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $223.38, representing a decrease of 5.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Given the current situation, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 6th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by $1.90, beginning trading at $233.84. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.